Want to remove the background from any image in Canva for free? Most people think you need to pay for Canva Pro, but there's a simple way to access the BG Remover tool. Let me show you. First, you need access to a Canva Pro account because the background remover feature is a pro tool. If you don't have Canva Pro, check out my other video where I show a step-by-step legitimate method to get access to Canva and its pro features. Once you have access, open Canva and upload the image you want to edit. Now, click on the image. From the top toolbar, select Edit Photo. Then find and click BG Remover. Canva will automatically detect the subject and remove the background in just a few seconds. If you notice any parts that need fixing, open the BG Remover settings again and use the Erase or Restore tools to clean up the edges. And that's it! Your background is removed. If the method from my other video doesn't work for you, leave a comment below. I'll try to help you find another option to access the feature. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials.